Why can't scientists just make water if we ever run out? I think most people have asked themselves this question. The truth is, while it's possible in theory, it's not safe, practical, or necessary. Water is a simple molecule, 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom. You could technically make it by combining hydrogen gas, H2, with oxygen gas, O2. The problem is that when those two gases come together, the reaction is explosive. It releases a huge burst of energy, and if it's not carefully controlled, it can cause fires or even deadly explosions. Because of that, creating water in a lab isn't something scientists can realistically or safely do on a large scale. Another issue is that hydrogen and oxygen don't just sit around waiting to be used. Pure hydrogen is hard to get. It has to be separated from natural gas or even from water itself, which takes a lot of energy. Oxygen is more common, but pure oxygen also requires energy to isolate. In other words, it costs more resources to make water than you'd ever get back from the process. And here's the bigger picture. Earth already has a set amount of water, and it doesn't go away. Thanks to the water cycle evaporation, condensation, and precipitation, the same water keeps moving around and getting reused. Instead of trying to make water, scientists work on cleaning dirty water, recycling wastewater, or removing salt from seawater through desalination. Those solutions are much safer and more useful than trying to produce brand new water. To sum it up, scientists can't just make water because it's dangerous, wasteful, and unnecessary. The real challenge isn't creating more water, but making sure the water we already have is clean and available for everyone.